Aixun new arrival H314 hot air gun is coming. Upgraded brushless blower, more powerful and quieter. 1400 W rated power of heating core, heating up faster. Open the package of H314. There is a standby holder inside. A power cord. 4 straight nozzles of different specifications. An air nozzle placing rack. 2 small screws. A user manual and a certificate. And a host. Air nozzle placing rack can be installed on both sides of the host. Users can choose to place it either on the left or the right according to their personal habits. The small screws needs to use pentagonal screwdriver. Fasten 2 small screws. Installation is finished. Air nozzle. H314 is packaged with 4 air nozzles of different specifications as well. What is different from the past is that the H314 uses a 3D air nozzle and the stainless steel tubes with fully independent design patent buckle. The connection is more stable and it can be disassembled smoothly. Main interface. It can be seen that the panel of device consists of 2 knobs for small buttons, a fingerprint button and a switch. Press the switch of device. The main interface of device can be seen. On the top bar it shows, respectively, the machine name, air gun status, booting time, working time. Booting time is displayed under non-Wi-Fi mode. Current time is displayed under Wi-Fi mode. Version number, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and buzzer. Below is the prompt dialog box of device. Press the left knob to switch modes. There are standard mode, gentle connector mode, and turbo mode. The shortcut temperature and air channels of the hot air gun are displayed at the bottom. You can press M1, M2, M3 buttons to switch. Each desoldering mode has 3 sets of shortcut temperatures and wind speeds with different data. Users can adjust it by themselves according to their personal needs. Select the shortcut temperature that needs to be set. Here we choose standard mode M1. Set the temperature as 250 degrees Celsius, set the wind speed as 25. Long press M1 to save it to the M1 channel of standard mode. Under top speed mode, set M1 as T365S35, which is removing CPU without residual black glue channel. The progress bar on the left represents the power of the air gun. The progress bar on the right refers to the current air speed. The number in the middle represents the current temperature of the hot air gun. Above is the set temperature. The current set temperature is 380 degrees Celsius. Rotate the left knob to adjust the set temperature. The right one is the set air speed. Rotate the right knob to customize the air speed. Single press the knob to switch between medium wind speed, medium high wind speed, high wind speed, low wind speed. Long press the knob to switch to cold air mode. Cold air mode is built in with memory function. Let's set wind speed as 130. Long press the knob to turn off cold air mode. Wind speed will be the previously used one when restarting cold air mode. Curve interface. Single press, set, button to enter the curve interface of the device. The red number on the left represents temperature. The blue number on the right represents air speed. The green number below represents time. Double-click the Set button quickly to switch to the curve desoldering interface. Double-click the Set button again to switch to the segment desoldering interface. Continue to double-click the Set button to return to the curve interface. Single press Set button among different desoldering modes to switch digital display and curve interface. Curve desoldering. Long press the Set button to enter the expansion app interface. Rotate any knob or M1, M2 buttons to select curve desoldering. Press the knob or Set button to enter the curve desoldering setting interface. 4 shortcuts can be seen. They are default perm, M1 shortcut, M2 shortcut, M3 shortcut, respectively. 3 sets of shortcuts can be saved. Here we choose M1 shortcut. Each shortcut can set 5 inflection points. You can set the temperature, air speed, and time of the 5 points. Users can rotate any knob to set parameters according to their needs. Press any knob to switch air speed and time. Because inflection point 1 is the initial point, its time cannot be set. Long press M1 button to save it to M1 shortcut after setting is finished. Long press M2 and M3 buttons separately for M2 and M3 shortcuts. Press M3 button to return to the main interface. Single press Set to enter into curve interface. Double-click Set to switch to curve desoldering interface. 3 shortcuts can be seen at the bottom. Here we choose M1 shortcut, which is set just now. Note: long press Set button directly to save and add it to curve desoldering after default parameter setting is finished. No need to switch shortcut in curve interface. Use hot air gun for curve desoldering in curve interface. Pick up hot air gun to start curve desoldering. Segment desoldering. Enter the setting interface of segment desoldering. There are 4 sets of shortcuts as well. Here let's choose M1 shortcut. Each shortcut has 5 sections. Temperature, wind speed, and time can be set. Long press M1 button to save data to M1 shortcut after setting is finished. Press M3 button to return to the main interface. Single press Set to enter into curve interface. Double-click Set to switch segment desoldering. Choose M1 shortcut. Pick up hot air gun to start segment desoldering. Element. Select element among the expansion applications. Currently, the segment desoldering parameters of CPU and NAND can be set. It is convenient to quickly switch between different segment desoldering modes when desoldering different elements. Choose CPU. Here let's choose M1 shortcut. Long press M1 button to save data after setting is finished. Long press Set button once again to add and save it to segment desoldering as CPU desoldering. Back to main interface. Single press Set to enter into curve interface. Double-click Set button to switch. It can be seen that segment desoldering becomes CPU segment desoldering mode. Switch to NAND desoldering in settings. Set the parameter of NAND desoldering. Switching NAND desoldering is available on the main interface. Temperature calibration. Because specific environment is needed for temperature calibration, which is for internal use only, this function will be available soon. Settings. Select settings among expansion applications. Corresponding settings can be made for the device. The first one is language. English and Chinese can be set currently. The second one is sounds. After turning off the buzzer, the device will be in mute state. The third one is fast wind. Fast wind can be set. There are low, medium, high, and high speeds, respectively. Users can adjust it according to their personal needs. The fourth one is standby wind. Standby wind speed can be set. Here let's set it as 120. Return to the main interface. It can be seen that the standby wind speed is 120. The fifth one is Wi-Fi set. It can be chosen to turn on or off Wi-Fi. Set Wi-Fi as connectable. Scan the QR code through WeChat to enter WeChat mini program Aixun Assistant to connect Wi-Fi. Find serial number that corresponds to H314, choose to connect. Enter the password of the Wi-Fi that needs to be connected. Wi-Fi can be connected. Connection is successful. Using Type-C cable to connect computer as an aid to connect Wi-Fi is feasible as well. Connect Type-C cable to computer. Connect another end to device. Download Aixun software from Aixun official website. Open Aixun software. The device will be recognized by software automatically. Click Wi-Fi to connect to Wi-Fi. Select the Wi-Fi to be connected. Enter the password, and it will connect to Wi-Fi successfully. The sixth one is security. It can be chosen to turn on or off. Rotate the knob to choose to add fingerprint. It is necessary to set a 3-digit password which is made up of M1, M2, M3 buttons before adding fingerprint. Password needs to be entered twice. It enters into fingerprint recording after password is set successfully. The device supports to record up to 5 fingerprint users. The current version can record up to 3 fingerprints. After 2 fingerprints are recorded, when turning on the device next time, it can be seen that there is a lock on the main interface. It can be unlocked by entering password or fingerprint. It can be seen that switched to user 1 already. Relevant saved data has been adjusted to user 1 when unlocking by fingerprint. 3 fingerprint users can save 3 set of device data, respectively. There are 27 shortcut channels of temperature and wind speed altogether. Return to the main interface. It can be seen that a user 1 pattern appears on upper left corner. Adjust the data of user 1. Use the fingerprint of user 2 to switch to the device data of user 2. The pattern on upper left corner becomes user 2. Using the fingerprint of user 1 can switch to the device data of user 1 once again. The data of 3 fingerprint users is independent, which won't cause interference. The 7th one is theme. We can switch the theme between light and dark modes. The 8th one is display. This function will be available soon. The 9th one is checkout. When there is a new version released, you can download the latest version and update it. The 10th one is device info. It contains the device name, device model, software version, etc. The 11th one is reset. Select confirm. The device will be reset to factory settings. Software upgrade. Connect the device to computer with a Type-C cable. Open Aixun software. The software will recognize H314 automatically. When a new version is updated in the future, select the version you want to upgrade to. Then click Start Upgrading to upgrade to the latest version. Turn off the device. Above are all the operation instructions of H314. To learn more about Aixun products and software update, please follow Aixun official YouTube channel Aixun Tech. More real-time updates on related videos will be posted.